Welcome back, learners. A revision series on salts has been started. Here, we will discuss some salts and compounds which we get from your NaCl, our common salt. So, one by one, we will discuss these 5 compounds. We will know their chemical name, formula, properties, preparation, and other related things one by one. Every day you will be provided one video on one such compound. At the end of video you will be asked the relevant question and you can evaluate yourself how much you have understand that topic. So let's begin. We are starting with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. It's an alkali. It means a water soluble base. Its common name is caustic soda. The chemical formula is NaOH. And now let's understand how it is prepared. Students, the preparation of sodium hydroxide is done by electrolysis of brine. By saying brine, I mean concentrated solution of common salt in water. So let's see the process. Here you can see in this picture that this blue color represent our brine. These are our electrodes, and now we are passing electricity to the brine. On passing electricity, chlorine gas get liberate at your anode, hydrogen gas get liberate at cathode, and lastly NaOH it produce near the cathode. So this is the process for the electrolysis of your brine. One more thing, this process of preparation of your caustic soda is known as chlor-alkali process. Just because that in this product, in this reaction, chlor means chlorine and alkali, which is our NaOH, get produced. So that is why this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Now how will we represent this by chemical reaction? So it will be, look, NaCl aqueous with water on passing electricity forms NaOH in aqueous form, hydrogen and oxygen gas. Here you can see your sodium hydroxide pellets which are being shown in this picture. Now we know that the product of electrolysis are sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. One by one we will understand the uses of these 3 products. First of all, sodium hydroxide. Students, sodium hydroxide is used in manufacturing of paper. Sodium hydroxide is used for preparation of soap and for degreasing your metals. Okay, in preparation of detergent, artificial fiber. So these are the various uses of NaOH. Next thing, hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is cleanest fuel. When it burns, it gives you high amount of heat and with no pollutant. So that's why hydrogen is used as fuel. It is used for preparation of ammonia, and this ammonia is used for preparation of fertilizer. In this way, hydrogen is very useful for us. Next thing is chlorine. Look students, chlorine is used for treatment of water. It is used to clean swimming pool, in preparation of polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Okay, you must have seen PVC pipes. Next thing, as I have told you that it is used in cleaning swimming pools and in treatment of water, so you can say chlorine is a disinfectant. It is used to produce CFCs, your chlorofluorocarbon compounds. So today we have understood your sodium hydroxide in detail. Okay, now let's see what are the various questions which you must know. First of all, you must know the chemical name and formula of NaOH, how the NaOH is produced, why the process of production of NaOH is known as chlor-alkali process, and lastly, the uses of the 3 products